Nice to be back again. Today is I gonna come in and make some avocado shake with almond milk for someone who have to go to work very quick in the morning to fill you up for the keto diet. So, and it's good protein on this avocado as well. But I put my collagen in there as well in the morning when I go, because I have to go to work, so it's so early and I just need something quick and easy to do. And and it's avocado what the keto can eat, and it will help you maintain your protein in your body for the keto diet. And the almond milk is quite healthy, so let's come and have a look. So I got avocado, which is I'm going to use half of it, which is only enough. Half is fine for the day. But if you like to eat more, you can, but do not eat more than just one a day. I don't know why, but that's what they say. So, but if you like it, you can have it. There's no harm, I think. So yeah, so I cut the avocado in half like that, and we're gonna need some blender. Yeah, I'll put avocado in the blender. There we go. That's it. Okay. And I have my collagen, so you guys can use collagen. I use collagen powder, and you guys can use any type of collagen you prefer, but please make sure it's no carb on that or sugar on that. It has to be pure collagen for this keto diet. The way is we are going, we're gonna lose weight, we have to make sure every carb and sugar have to be zero or less as possible, because we want to lose weight. We don't want to pile it up any more sugar, because our body is trying to get use of the fat. So the more we create some carb for it, the body doesn't know how to use the carb, how to use the fat, and then we're gonna get skinny very slowly. It will lose weight, but it will take your time. But obviously, guys, honestly, we do want to go back to eat our normal food. But with our keto diet, we got alternative. So only small amount of 5 months, 6 months, you will lose weight into your minimal weight you want, and then you can go back and enjoy your normal meal. But you can't go back and eat so much carb like what you used to do, because then the keto diet, what you do is going to be like pointless. You're going to come back and get fat again. So you have, when you are out of keto diet, you have to be maintain very low carb as possible. It will get you in your weight the way you want it, is for a long time, and we get healthier as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna add some almond milk into my shake, because I've been working all day, and by the time I finish, I generally skip lunch, because at work I don't have time to eat lunch much. So because I've been working on my feet all the time, so run around, but I just gonna need something very quick and easy, and then when I come back, I just have a big meal, and then that's it. Then the rest of the day I'm fine. So yeah, but that is personal choice. Basically, you should eat 3 meals a day, but with keto diet, I'm not very hungry. I do for the beginning. I have 3 meals a day, because we are in lockdown, so I got time to cook and find some recipe, try to do it, and some is nice, some it doesn't suit my taste at all. And yeah, and it's just coming recently. I think I getting quite agree on the recipe, so I'm gonna come to share with you guys in the next video, and so yeah. So let's get started with my easy shake, easy peachy shake, avocado shake and almond milk, and I put some collagen in there as well, which is I like it. So now I'm gonna go and shake. So yes, it's all done. Let me use my spoon to stir it up a little bit. There we go. It's all done now. Get a glass and pour them all in. So here we go, guys. Your first shake, avocado and almond milk in the morning before you go to work. Quick and easy. Let's drink up. The taste is very, very creamy. I don't mind almond milk. If someone doesn't like almond milk, I don't know, you can use pistachio milk, but it's very difficult to find in the UK. So if you don't like the milk, almond milk, so you can't really do it. I'm gonna go and drink mine. So enjoy your guys' shake. See you in the next video. Please like and share and subscribe for the next for the new video coming out, so you should be the first one. You may be the first one to see my next video about keto recipe, so wait for that. Thank you very much. Bye.